Hi guys, Dan here with Dan's world famous ugly birdhouses, and I have an important message for you. When you open your cabinets, your refrigerator, or your closet, do you see birdhouses and then magically rub your eyes and they disappear? Well, you suffer from a serious illness, birdhousetosis. But never fear, I have the cure for you. A Dan's world famous ugly birdhouse will solve all your problems. So, like us on Facebook with that serious message. But then we can also go with something a little more positive. A joke. Have you ever seen a one-armed man count his change? Now you have. Thank you. And remember, ow! Dan's world famous ugly birdhouses.